Ladies and gentlemen, there's been a signal failure. We'll be holding the trains. Doors open in a couple of minutes. Excuse me, sir. I said it'd be a couple of minutes.
What? Not again? Oh, typical.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's been a signal failure. We'll be holding the trains. Doors open in a couple of minutes. Excuse me, sir. I said it'd be a couple of minutes.
This door, I need to get in this train.
Excuse me, sir. I said it'd be a couple of minutes.
Get on the train.
I said doors will open in a couple of minutes.
I need to get this door open. I have a valid ticket and I need to get on the train.
Stop it or you'll break it.
I need to get on this train.
I need assistance. Assistance needed, platform 3. Assistance, platform 3.
I must get on this train. I have a valid ticket. I'm going to be on the train. I need to get on the train.
Stand back, please, sir. Stand back. Sir.
I need to get on the train.
Sir. Sir, please.
No.
Sir, I need you to come with us, okay? Sir, please.